In this video, we're looking at finding fractions of a quantity. So what that means is finding an amount from a total. So for example, we can find a quarter of 28. So a quarter times 28, that's what we're trying to find here. So when you have a 1 on top is the numerator and the 4 on the bottom, all you need to do to find this answer is 28 divided by 4. All right, so 28 divided by 4 equals 7. And that's the same as having a quarter times 28. All right. So you divide by the numerator, the denominator. All right. So what we're doing is dividing by the denominator, which is the bottom number. All right. So if I move on down here to find 2/3 of 30, we're going to do the same thing and then multiply by our numerator. So the first thing we want to do is divide by the denominator. So what I get is 30 divided by 3, and that's 10. Once we found that, we then multiply by our numerator. So 10 times 2 is 20. Now these type of questions may allow you to use a calculator, and if so, you can just do, for here, you just have to go 2/3 times 30, and if you put that in the calculator, you'll get 20. If you specifically are not allowed to use a calculator, that's when you divide by the denominator and then multiply by the numerator. Sometimes you'll get questions that involve, say, find 1/2 of 2 kilometers in meters. For example, what you would do there is first convert to your meters. So I know there's 1,000 meters in 2 kilometers. So it's going to be 1/2 times 2,000 meters. And that equals 1,000 meters. All right, so when you have units, it's important to read the question carefully to see what they give you. And in this case, they gave us kilometers, but they wanted the answer in meters. So it's important to know what you're given and what you're trying to get to when you're doing these type of quantity questions.